Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website from which you can log into your account at the top right corner by clicking on the login button if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which if you wish to change your password, you can click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. From the settings page, click on security and privacy and now underneath privacy scroll down and you will find your password section. Click on change password and you will be allowed to set up a new password. Just type in your current password for your account within the old password box and then in the second box type in your preferred new password. Finally, type in your new password once again for confirmation and then click on the change password button. Once you click on change password, your password on Twitch will be changed immediately. And now from this point on, you can use your new password along with your original email address to sign into your account whenever you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your Twitch account password. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.